Hi, this is Shabbir Kazmi, your lead architect at ETC, and today we're in the heart of Arlington, Virginia, in this beautiful church. As you can see, this is modern architecture that was built in 1960s, and this is the first church of Christ Scientist. So what we did is this very special project was a replacement of the metal roof. But I wanted to show you what the metal roof is protecting. These are beautiful, original wood laminated beams, wood pews, and I want to walk you through the inside of this church and take you outside and show you the metal roof. So let's go out this way. I'll lead you through it. Here's this beautiful foyer. Take a look. Yeah, and I'll have you walk right through here. Look at this original beautiful stone arches. Yeah. And keep moving forward. Here are their inner sanctuary places. And here's their side entrance taking you to the outside. Here we go. Here we are outside. And here standing is Chris Upperman. He's our roof specialist, and he knows a lot about metal roof. Chris, what did we do here, and can you tell us about it?
When I got involved, we had some issues with some leaks, and we evaluated the roof. The existing metal roof was, for the most part, original, from original construction in the mid-60s. We actually looked about going back to shingles because of the cost. And when we got into it and trying to do ventilation enhancements and stuff like that, we found that the cost of shingles was only slightly less than putting on a new metal roof. So that's kind of the direction we went with. It's probably one of the better roofs out there. It lasts at least 50 years, if not longer, if properly maintained. Not too many challenges. We had to do some more repointing on the brick and the stone, or the stone above the roof line. We really wanted to make this maintenance-free for the owner. So we replaced the gutters and downspouts. We also replaced the trim with synthetic trim, so no more, rotting trim to take care of, and stuff like that.
So, Chris, can you tell us, the big feature of this is this metal roof that you put there that is trying to match, as you can see at the top, the cupola, or called steeple, and there was a challenge of waterproofing this feature. Can you tell us how did you do it, and what are some of the lessons learned?
One of the major leaks we had was the steeple. We replaced the apron metal up to under the glass, and then we had the contractor reseal everything up there, all the glass, the steeple metal, which is still the original copper, and everything up to that. We did some water testing. We found a few areas that we had to repair, but we've water tested it. We've had some significant rains, and so far it's been dry. So
yeah,
fingers crossed that we stay that way.
I love hearing water testing. We highly recommend, when you are putting in this beautiful roof over a very beautiful historic church, have it water tested. And I think this was one of our very, very successful projects. Personally, I'm very proud of you and proud of this work.
And the guy that picked out the colors.
That's me. Well, thank you again for being with us, and see you soon on the social media.